Spices are toasted together with onion and garlic and coconut. This is all added to a processor with red chilies and turmeric and ground to a paste. The paste is added to some more sauteed onion and mutton is added. Water is added as well together with some salt, and this is cooked on a low heat. This yields a delicious, rich and spicy gravy with tender pieces of meat. A little lime juice finishes it off. Start with 10 red Kashmiri chilies that I'm just going to soak in hot water for at least 30 minutes. Also add hot water to 1 tablespoon of tamarind. I'm going to marinate 2 pounds of mutton with some lime juice and salt. Next, toast off some whole spices. I've got 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, half a teaspoon of peppercorns, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of fennel seeds. I've got an inch of cinnamon, 2 green cardamoms, 1 star anise, 5 cloves, and 2 teaspoons of poppy seeds. Once this is done, I'm just going to keep it aside. In the same hot pan or tawa, I'm going to add 1 onion. This is about half a cup, and 8 cloves of garlic. Once this gets some color, I'm going to remove it and I'm going to add a cup of coconut. I'm just using fresh coconut that I've sliced, but you can also use shredded or grated. Allow this to brown a little bit and then add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and then remove that as well. In a food processor, add the cooled down toasted spices. Add the coconut, the onion and garlic, and the soaked chilies. And since we have some coconut in here, I'm going to add about a quarter cup of the chili water to help grind the paste. Finally, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'm going to process this a few times till it's nice and smooth. In a pot, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Add half a cup of finely chopped onion and all of the ground paste. And now I'm going to add 2 pounds of mutton. I'm going to add a cup of water to my food processor just to make sure I get all of that spice blend, and I'm going to add this in as well. Next, I'm going to add the tamarind water. Taste for salt and add salt to taste. Now I'm just going to cook this for 40 minutes, stirring in between. Once it's done, you will see the red oil float to the top. I'm just going to finish this off with some lime juice. This is delicious. Enjoy.